In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in to Grok AI. By the end, you'll confidently access your account and start entering prompts without any confusion. First, open your preferred web browser and go to the official Grok AI website. You can type the site address directly into the address bar or search for Grok AI and choose the official result. If you're using a search engine, look for the verified site in the results and click it to open the homepage. Give the page a moment to load fully so all buttons are active. If you plan to return often, consider bookmarking the page for quick access later. Once you're on the homepage, look for the Sign In button, typically located at the top right corner. Click Sign In to open the login options. Here, you'll be able to choose how you want to log in, with your email, with Google, or with Apple. Pick the method you already use for your Grok account. Using Google or Apple may open a secure sign-in window from that provider, while using email will keep you on the site's own sign-in form. Click your chosen option and then follow the prompts that appear on your screen. If you selected email, you might be asked to enter your email address and, depending on your account settings, your password or a one-time code sent to your inbox. If you chose Google or Apple, sign in through the familiar account window and confirm any permissions requested. Make sure you stay in the same browser tab and allow the page to finish each step. Don't close the window until the process completes. If you use extra verification on your accounts, be ready to approve a notification or enter a code. If a prompt doesn't appear, check for a blocked pop-up or refresh the page and try again. After the sign-in completes, you'll be taken into your Grok AI workspace. From here, you can start entering your prompts. Click into the prompt box at the bottom of the screen, type your question or task, and press Enter to submit. For best results, be clear and specific about what you want. If the response isn't quite right, refine your prompt by adding details or context. You can also provide examples or set constraints like tone, length, or format. Remember to avoid entering personal, financial, or other sensitive information into your prompts. That's it. You open the Grok AI website, clicked through to sign in, selected your login method, followed the on-screen prompts, and now you're ready to start prompting.